What's up everyone? So today's video would be going to be on anatomy based bicep workout using a resistance band. So here you'll get to know about different variations of exercises which will help you to target each heads of the biceps using a resistance band. And for this exercises you can use a medium or a light resistance band. But before we start with this video, let's look into the anatomy of the bicep muscles. So biceps, as the name says, consist of two heads. Bi means two and ceps means heads. So the bicep muscle consists of two heads, which is the long head and the short head. So the long head runs at the outer region and the short head runs in the inner region. Now there is one more muscle which is known as the brachialis, which runs at the outside of our bicep muscle, which also influences the overall size of our biceps because it runs parallel to the long head. That's why it also influences the overall size of our arm muscle. So the origin of the bicep muscle is from the shoulder joint and the insertion is at the elbow joint. Both the long head and the short head runs through from the shoulder joint to the elbow joint, and the brachialis muscle, which runs outside the bicep region, doesn't cross our shoulder joint. It just crosses the elbow joint and attaches to our forearm bone. Now as we know about the anatomy of the bicep muscles, let's look into the function of each of these bicep muscles, because this will help us to have a better understanding of the different variations of the exercises and the muscles which these exercises will be targeting. So the overall function of the bicep muscles is to flex our elbow. Since it attaches at the elbow joint, so the major function is to flex our elbow like this. And the second function is to supinate our arms, which means to rotate our arm like this such that the palms is facing towards the ceiling. And the third function of our bicep muscle is to flex our shoulder joint, which means that when we perform this is known as the shoulder flexion and this is known as the shoulder extension. So as we raise our arms like this, you can see that there is a slight roll of our bicep muscles here. Now as we have covered the function of the overall bicep muscles, let's look into the function of each of these heads, that is the long head, short head and the brachialis muscle. So the long head, which runs at the outer region here, helps to move our arm laterally outward, which is termed as the abduction of our arm. So as I am moving the arm outward, you can see that I can get more influence of my long head of the biceps. And it also helps in the internal rotation of the arm when your elbows are flexed like this. So whichever exercise which I am performing like this will have a greater influence on my long head of the biceps. And the short head of the bicep, which can be seen in the inner region, helps to move our arms laterally inward, closer to the trunk like this. So when my arms are moving like this inward, I can get a more influence of my short head of the biceps. So whenever my arms are externally rotating, so there will be less activation of my long head and there will be more activation of my short head. So you can see the variations where I am performing the bicep curls using this externally rotated arm. Now the third muscle, which is the brachialis muscle, which runs outside the bicep region here, has a major role in the pronation of our arms, which means that to rotate our arms such that the palms are facing towards the floor. So whichever exercises where I am pronating my arm and doing the curls will activate more of my brachialis and the brachioradialis muscle, which also runs over the forearms here. So if you see me doing the curls like this, that is the hammer curls and the reverse curl, there will be more activation of my brachialis muscles and the brachioradialis muscles. There is one more variation of the bicep curl which you can see in this video, where I am extending my shoulders like this and then performing the curls. Here, as you know that the function of our biceps is to flex our shoulders, I am purposefully extending my shoulders here so that I can get a better stretch on my biceps and then I perform the curls. So here you can get more activation of your long head muscles since we are already getting a pre-stretch here. So watch this video till the end so as to not only perform the bicep curls but to know how each and every variations is targeting your different muscles and the different head of your bicep muscles. So you can perform 3 sets with a rep range of 15 to 20 with all these variations to get a good overall bicep workout using a resistance band.
I'm dreaming, you're wondering, we're waiting, when does our life begin? I'm flying, you're walking, we're going somewhere, we're in between. You're daylight, I'm nighttime, we're twilight, we're losing sense of time. This fire inside me, it lights me, building up chemistry, building up
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found this anatomy based bicep workout using resistance band helpful, and if you did, then comment below your experience, like this video, share with everyone, and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned with more such workout and nutritional based videos. And if you wish to train with us, then check out thesupperstrength.com, where we provide evidence-based nutrition as well as workout coaching to enhance human performance. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, stay supple, stay strong.